We are currently at the Wall Street landing zone. We're here to provide a safe environment for the President to arrive. My role for securing the landing zone for the President is I'm the coordination point of our local and federal law enforcement partners to work together to put together the entire security plan for this site. Our local and federal law enforcement partners are everything. They help us provide the assets needed to take on the landing zone and making sure we have a safe environment. Making sure that we have communication with is a key for us between our different units that are all going to be assisting us. Making sure we're all on the same page and working with the same security plan is definitely one of our most important parts of this entire advance. Without the teamwork, we would never be able to pull off all the stops that it takes to make a mission like this successful. Knowing the impact that the United Nations General Assembly has in being able to support that mission for the President of the United States is one of the most fulfilling parts of our job. Success for us is the arrival and departure of the President safely and securely to his next location.